Prove that cos A divided by 1 minus tan A plus sin A divided by 1 minus cot A is equal to cos A plus sin A. Okay, we can take the LHS. That is equal to cos A divided by 1 minus tan A is sin A by cos A. Then here plus sin A divided by 1 minus cot A is cos A by sin A. Then that is equal to cos square A divided by cos A minus sin A plus sin square A divided by sin A minus cos A. Okay. Here the denominator cos A minus sin A and here sin A minus cos A. So we can rewritten as cos square A by cos A minus sin A minus sin square A by cos A minus sin A. That is cos square A minus sin square A divided by cos A minus sin A. Now cos square A minus sin square A is cos A plus sin A into cos A minus sin A. We know A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. Okay, so denominator is cos A minus sin A. Then this cos A minus sin A we can cancel. So the remaining is cos A plus sin A. That is our RHS. Cos A plus sin. Okay, so LHS is equal to RHS, hence it proved. Okay.